You just brought a beautiful life into this world. But now it's time to take care of you. Postpartum recovery isn't easy, but with the right hacks, you can recover very easily. You can heal faster, feel stronger, and actually enjoy this journey too. So welcome to Healthy Pinch. Today in this video, I'll be sharing 10 postpartum recovery hacks to you, to the new mommies, that will save you time, energy and discomfort so you can focus on what truly matters. The first hack is the Peri bottle is your friend. If you have had a vaginal delivery, then the Peri bottle is like your best friend. Instead of using toilet paper, gently spray warm water to cleanse and soothe the area. It helps to reduce the discomfort and keeps the area clean. Second is ice packs for swelling and pain. Ice packs aren't just for injuries. Use padsicles, sanitary pads soaked in aloe vera and witch hazel, then frozen, to reduce swelling, numb pain, and speed up the healing process. Third is stay on top of your meds. Don't try to be a superhero. Just take your medicines on time, whether it's prescribed medicines or natural remedies such as turmeric milk or warm ginger tea. Staying ahead of pain will help you recover more faster. Fourth is the magic of Sid's bath. Sid's bath basically works wonders if you have had a vaginal delivery. Soak in warm water with some Epsom salt or herbs like calendula or chamomile to reduce swelling and prevent those infections. Fifth is belly binding for core support. Your abdominal muscles, the whole abdominal area, actually needs support after birth. So a postpartum belly wrap can actually help a lot in this case. It helps to reduce the swelling, supports your back, and improves your posture too. But don't make it too tight when you're wearing it. Gentle compression is the key. Sixth is eat healing foods. Your body needs nutrient-dense foods at this time. So don't neglect or skip your meal times. Thick bone broth, ghee, nuts, dates, and warm soups will help you a lot. Avoid the cold foods. They can actually slow down your digestion and the recovery process. Seventh, stool softeners are a must. The first postpartum food can be scary, but stool softeners definitely help a lot. Drink plenty of water, eat fiber-rich foods, and try a gentle laxative. Apart from that, even raisins, dates, and anjeer can help a lot. Hack number 8 is sleep when the baby sleeps. You have heard this before, but it's true. Rest whenever your baby sleeps. Even a 20-minute nap can recharge you, because sleep deprivation can slow down your recovery process. So it's very essential to complete your sleep to heal faster. Otherwise, it can take a toll on your health. Hack number 9, don't ignore your mental health. Postpartum emotions are real. If you're feeling overwhelmed, practice meditation or journaling or simply talking to someone. Talk to the mommies who have experienced this before or to a pregnancy expert who can help you and guide you in the best way. And if you suspect postpartum depression, don't wait, just seek support. You are not alone. If you're struggling with any kind of postpartum depression, please comment it down and I'll help you with that. Hack number 10, hydration and herbal teas. Your body basically loses a lot of fluid after birth, so drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. You can also go for coconut water or herbal teas like ginger tea, fennel tea or chamomile tea to support your digestion and recovery process. Postpartum recovery is tough, but these hacks will make this process very simpler. Which one did you find the most helpful? Let me know in the comments. And there's also a postpartum recovery toolkit attached with this video. You can find the link in the description, so go and check it out. And if you want to join our online yoga postpartum sessions, you can contact @HealthyPinchFam and we'll definitely get in touch with you and let you know all the details. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family or the new moms to be, so that they can also recover very fast. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more pregnancy and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy your journey of motherhood.